So I received some products from Somebymi. Thank you, Somebymi. And I want to do a first impressions, a very honest first impressions. I want to review the Beta Panthenol Repair Cream. It's supposed to be for like sensitive skin, and I have sensitive skin. I do have a little bit of makeup on, but I've been at work all day and it's still sunny outside, and I just wanted to rehydrate my skin and also use sunblock. That sunblock that they sent me is the V10 Vyal Airfit sunscreen. It's broad spectrum SPF 50. It has niacinamide and Vyal complex, and it's supposed to be a lightweight sunscreen that protects from UV rays, and it soothes the irritated skin with niacinamide. So first is the cream. I've always loved Somebymi's packaging. It's just very simplistic. Okay. I'm just gonna put some on like that because ooh, I really like the smell. It smells so good. You know, I really like this cream already because it's not too heavy, and sometimes when I try creams that are for like sensitive skin, they're like really like thick, heavy creams, and I just don't like it. But this one has a very lightweight texture. So this one is the Airfit sunscreen. Okay, I think I put too much on my hand. I always need a lot of sunscreen because I actually work outside now, and so I'm always reapplying throughout the day because I do not want to get wrinkles. So this is just a great addition to my sunscreen collection. So thank you so much, Somebymi. I really like the texture of this one as well. Don't forget to put some on your hands because your hands are, you know, you're always driving. So thank you, Somebymi.